Hi, welcome to my channel. It's that time of year again. August is upon us, and that means it's time to get outside and enjoy the summer while it lasts. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the best outdoor and sports deals you can get this month. From camping gear to hiking essentials, I've got you covered. Without further ado, let's start. Number 1. Razor E100 electric scooter. Features including speeds up to 10 miles per hour, 8-inch, 200mm, pneumatic front tire, up to 40 minutes run time. Original price, $210, now discounted 29% to $148. Free shipping. That's the best price we could find by $32. Number 2. Coleman Self-Inflating Pad with pillow. Features including compression straps, measures 76 inches by 25 inches by 2.5 inches inflated. Original price, $47, now discounted 36% to $30. Free shipping. It's the lowest price we could find by $8. Number 3. Syfosa 27-in-1 Camping Survival Kit. Features including 14-in-1 hatchet, snowflake multi-tool, compass, flashlight, bottle hanging buckle, climbing hook, emergency blanket, and more. Original price, $60, now discounted 60% to $24. With coupon code JO4BZ7EE. Free shipping. Clip the 10% coupon and apply code JO4BZ7EE to save $36. Number 4. Swidel 20MP 1080p HD Trail Camera. Features including 2-inch TFT LCD display, infrared night vision, 0.2s trigger speed, includes 32GB SD card for batteries, mounting strap, and threaded tripod. Original price, $74, now discounted 40% to $44. With coupon code GGOUQYI7. Free shipping. Apply coupon code GOOKII7 for a savings of $30. Number 5. Brightline Gear Full-Size Long Truck Bed Tent. Features including color-coded poles and pole pockets to simplify setup, floorless design, rainfly included, sleeps 2. Original price, $180, now discounted 49% to $91. Free shipping. Expect this item to ship within 8 to 10 days. It's the lowest price we could find by $61. Number 6. Bear Archery Limitless Dual Cam Compound Bow. Features including dual cam system at 265 feet per second, adjustable from 19-inch to 29 in draw length and 25 to 50 pounds in draw weight, equipped with Trophy Ridge sight, Trophy Ridge whisker biscuit, Bear 3 arrow quiver, peep sight, and knock loop. Model AV91821075R. Original price, $250, now discounted 31% to $172. Free shipping. That is $43 under the next best price we could find. Number 7. Delta Cycle Michelangelo 2-Bike Stand. Features including leans against the wall, holds bikes using gravity, 84 inches by 20 inches by 16 inches, adjustable hooks, powder-coated steel construction. Original price, $100, now discounted 33% to $67. Free shipping. It's the best price we could find by $11. Number 8. Huffy 24-inch Stone Mountain Hardtail Mountain Bike. Features including 21 speeds, twist shifter, front suspension. Original price, $310, now discounted 55% to $139. Free shipping. That's a savings of $171. Number 9. Anchior Under Desk Elliptical Machine. Features including auto or manual mode, built-in display, 5 speed levels, forward or reverse motion. Original price, $470, now discounted 72% to $127. With coupon code 2BOUND3I. Free shipping at this price in black. Clip the 30% off on page coupon and apply code 2BOUND3I to save $343. Number 10. Chemco 15-gallon portable RV waste holding tank. Features including no flat wheels with bearings, removable steel toe adapter, low drain hole, integrated tank rinser, includes ladder hook, super heavy-duty RV sewer hose, water hose, clear elbow double bayonet elbow, 3 storage caps, 2 caps with lanyards. Original price, $147, now discounted 22% to $114. Free shipping. That is a savings of $33. That's all for today. Be sure to subscribe if you like this video or want to see any other offers. If you're looking for something specific, just let me know in the comments below and we'll keep an eye out for it. See you next time.